Hey everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And a question that I get all the time is this: Greg, am I too old to start investing in real estate? Am I too old? I'm 60 years old. Should I start investing in real estate? Isn't it too late? The answer is positively, absolutely, 100% no. It is never ever too late to start investing in real estate. And look at it this way. One of Nexus's biggest clients, a gentleman named Manny, you can check out his story, his background, it's on our blog. And Manny's story is tremendous. He retired from a full-time job. He raised a family. He's got great grandchildren, house in Vermont. All the things that he worked very hard for his entire life, he accomplished. What he wanted to do next was start another career, another business, another notch on his belt, and that was owning rental property. And he did just that. He walked right in this front door. He sat down at my desk and he said, listen, I'm older, I've owned rentals before, didn't go so well, but I want to start again, I want to start fresh, and I want to leave a legacy for my family. That's it, a legacy. And that to me, I'm young, I'm 28. Folks said, you didn't start when you were 20, you got no chance. Not true. Manny started in his 60s. He's one of our biggest clients, owns a lot of property. And when Manny looks at a legacy, he's thinking about leaving a business to his children, ensuring his grandchildren can go to college and beyond. Now that's a family man. That's somebody who's thinking long term. And real estate enables you to do that. It's very rare that any business lets you think further than tomorrow, if not today. But real estate enables you to look down the line as far as you want, or as short as you want, and accomplish your goals. So, day one, yes, he's in his 60s, but he's collecting income now, passive income. He's got depreciation. He's got tax benefits. He's got equity. And all these things happen in a very short amount of time. I'm talking about months and years, okay? Not years and decades. So to go back to my question, am I too old? Are you too old? Absolutely not. 100% not. And in fact, the majority of our clients, I would say, are 50 years or older when they start their careers. They save up during their working career. Okay, they may take from a 401k, a retirement, an annuity, something they've accumulated over the years and the decades, and then they put that down on a house. So it's a great career to start after maybe you've had a career, or you're semi-retired or fully retired, because you don't have to be there. You don't have to be present at that house every day. And neither do we, but when something happens, we show up. We respond, we accomplish, and we summarize that for you. So wherever you are in the world, you can be building that equity, maintaining that passive income, and also leaving a legacy for when you're gone. And there's nothing more honorable than that. So once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.